To thread your bobbin, pull your thread around the tension, following the guides, and then pulling it around your bobbin. You'll thread it around the bobbin 5 or 6 times and then cut off the excess thread so that nothing gets tangled. You can then snap your bobbin over and press down your foot to watch the thread begin to fill up. To load your bobbin, drop it into the machine with your thread going counterclockwise, placing your thread underneath the metal ditch at the front and pulling it straight out the back, replacing the cover over top of the thread. To thread the machine, follow the guides, pulling your thread down around the bottom, back up around the hook for your needle, and then back down again, straight through the eye of the needle. Once you've threaded through the eye of the needle, pull the thread down and back through the center of your foot. Holding the upper thread in your left hand tightly, move the needle down and back up to show your bobbin thread from underneath. To begin stitching, place your fabric on the machine, put down your foot, and begin stitching, remembering to use the reverse stitch at the beginning and end of all of your stitches. When you're finished, raise your foot, pull out your fabric, and cut your threads. Voila, you're all done.